Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Wall Springs Park, a lovely and historic spot nestled in the heart of Palm Harbor, Florida. This park offers a peaceful retreat with its beautiful landscapes and rich history, making it a favorite destination for both locals and visitors. Originally known as Wall Springs Mineral Springs, the area was once a popular health resort in the late 1800s. People traveled from far and wide to enjoy the healing properties of the natural spring water, which was believed to have therapeutic benefits. Although the resort is no longer in operation, the spring remains a central feature of the park, surrounded by lush greenery and offering a serene place to relax and reflect. Wall Springs Park is situated near the Gulf of Mexico, providing stunning views and a refreshing coastal breeze. The park covers over 100 acres and includes a variety of natural habitats, such as coastal wetlands, palm hammocks, and pine flatwoods. As you explore the park, you'll find well-maintained walking paths and boardwalks that guide you through its scenic beauty. One of the highlights is the observation tower, which offers panoramic views of the surrounding area and the Gulf of Mexico. Whether you're looking to enjoy a leisurely walk, have a picnic with loved ones, or simply unwind in a tranquil setting, Wall Springs Park has something for everyone. Thanks for watching!